2021 by the dynamic duo Mr. Ravi Chawla and Mrs. Meena Chawla, Ravisor embarked on a journey to redefine luxury in India. What started as a boutique in New Delhi blossomed into Salon de Ravisor, a sanctuary where rare beauty made a powerful statement transcending the boundaries of conventional fashion. Pioneering India's first designer label, Ravisor seamlessly blended modernity with tradition, creating a distinctive style. Ladies and gentlemen, as we stand on the brink of unveiling a treasure trove of memories and milestones, it is my absolute pleasure to set the stage for the grand reveal of the Ravisor Coffee Table Book. Tonight, we've not just gathered here to witness the unveiling of a book. In fact, it is their dream that gave birth to a haven of fashion, beauty, and luxury. At the same time, please join me in welcoming on stage Mr. Vishal Chawla, along with his daughter Tahira and nieces Nisa and Navya for the book unveiling. So please.
Good evening, everyone. My father has just given me the privilege to welcome all of you, and thank you very much for coming. I speak on behalf of my father, Mr. Ravi Chawla, and I feel most honored and happy that my dearest friends have joined me tonight to celebrate the unveiling of her book, Ravisor, A World of Ultimate Elegance. This is our first and only book that my wife Meena and I have written. It is all about our journey, and I'm sure you will enjoy reading it. We both have the vision and ambition to make Ravisor the most luxurious brand this world has ever experienced. And with your support and our determination, we believe this will happen soon. Ravisor has already achieved recognition of being the most respected brand. We have clients across the globe, and this has been possible due to the complete devotion of our Ravisor team. We are overwhelmed by some of the letters which I have received from our valued clients, one of which I would like to mention. The owner of Christoffel visited our store in Friends Colony and saw the silverware and wrote in the visitor's book, "Handmade silver better than Ravisor is not possible for anyone to make." I would also like to thank Sheila and Nacho, who've come all the way from Los Angeles to perform exclusively for us tonight. I also want to thank Mrs. Radhika Chopra to sing some beautiful songs tonight with her team, Mr. Ahmed, Ali, Nagar and Kumar. Our grateful thanks and gratitude to the entire Ravisor workforce, both past and present. And I'm delighted that some of them have joined here tonight. I want to convey to them that they have played a vital role in shaping Ravisor the way it is today. Before I end, I want to share with you what inspired us. The best and the most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. Now I thank you once again, and I ask my daughter Tahira, my nieces Nisa and Navya.
My grandfather has worked really hard and pursued his excellence in his work. I saw him writing the book and working so hard.
He is very cool. Thank you, Papa, Nisa, and Navya. That's a hard one to forget. It really means a lot to my grandparents and the family. My grandfather has been tirelessly working on this book for such a long time now, and it's an incredibly honor, and we're very excited to be able to share with our family and friends now. Once again, thank you so much for being part of this significant moment and honoring the legacy that my grandparents have built. Now grab yourselves a drink and enjoy the musical celebrations that await us. Thanks so much.
Alright, Mr. Chawla is also coming up on stage to join us for this. That's lovely. The granddaughters are bringing Mr. Ravi Chawla. Please, ladies and gentlemen, applause the man himself, the heartbeat of the brand, Mr. Ravi Chawla on stage with all of us. Thank you so much, sir.
All of my friends and clients who have helped me reach where we have reached. I'm not undermining the role that people played to work with Raveso, and it's such a pleasure to have them from different stores. I must say that it was my ambition to do something extraordinary and to leave behind for my children and grandchildren a legacy that they will be proud of and people will recognize them.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we please extend our heartfelt appreciation to Mr. Ravi Chawla for sharing those insightful words and inspiring us with his journey. His reflections on the journey of Ravisor, its legacy and the vision, in fact, for the future, really adding depth to our own understanding of this iconic brand, Ravisor. With a captivating performance now by the immensely talented Sheila Del Bosque and Nacho Gonzalez, who are here amongst us all the way from Los Angeles. And in fact, let me tell you that the artistry of Sheila Del Bosque transcends boundaries, much like Ravisor's timeless creations. So without further ado, I'm going to vacate the stage so that we can set it up for her performance. Please put your hands together for our performance for the night.
It's a lovely occasion. Ravi ji, many congratulations. And like I said, you are a living legend. And I hope that a lot of youngsters, designers, entrepreneurs learn a lot from your book. और बहुत पॉपुलर गज़लें सुनाऊंगी. और मेरी कोशिश ये रहती है कि if there is any difficult Urdu word, then I like to explain the meaning, tell the meaning, so that you can enjoy the couplet. हज़ारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले. निकलना खुल्द से, खुल्द कहते हैं हेवन को, जन्नत को, और आदम एडम। मोहब्बत में नहीं है फर्क जीने और मरने का। जीना और मरना एक बराबर हो जाता है, क्योंकि जिसको देख देख कर जीते हैं उसी पे मरने को जी चाहता है। तो जीना और मरना फर्क नहीं रह गया। बहुत निकले मेरे अरमान, लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले। हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले। दर्द दिल, दर्द वफा, दर्द तमन्ना क्या, आप क्या जाने। आनाए दिल आप हैं, बेमुरव्वत बेवफा, बेगानाए दिल आप हैं। आप माने या ना माने, मेरे कातिल आप हैं। कि जिस कश्ती का साहिल आप हैं, बेमुरव्वत बेवफा, बेगानाए दिल आप हैं। आपसे शिकवा है मुझको, गैर से शिकवा नहीं। जानती हूँ दिल में रख लेने के काबिल आप हैं। बेमुरव्वत बेवफा, बेगानाए दिल आप हैं। आप माने या ना माने, मेरे कातिल आप हैं। बेमुरव्वत बेवफा।
Fans amongst this audience today, including the very young members of the audience. It was a great performance, 5 generations to come. Good night and cherish the elegance that Ravasaw brings to our life.